What's up, everybody? This is Brian Pfeiffer, marketingmeathead.com. Today I'm going to show you a beta version of the new Facebook profile. All right, welcome back. So I kind of wanted to be the first to crack this. I haven't seen anybody out there on YouTube showing this. And ironically, I have 7 profiles that I have access to, and it's only on one profile. But if you look here on your Facebook personal profile, now keep in mind, Facebook, they roll stuff out sometimes and don't really tell anybody. They just start beta testing stuff just to see how people react to it. And then if it's something they feel like they're going to move forward with, and they roll it out to more people and whatnot. But I don't know. This is something that I just saw this yesterday, and I was like, what the heck is this? And then I went and looked at all my other profiles, and it's not there. It's only on this one. Check this out. It says See Facebook Beta. When you click on the down arrow here on the top right, it says See Facebook Beta. So I clicked on this, and I started playing around with this, and it's like a whole new personal profile. Like everything's like brand new layout, new design. This is definitely, it looks like a little more modern version of the latest Facebook. So I wanted to, kind of play around with it and try it out. I did notice a few things that I didn't like about it that I'm sure they're going to have to figure out. When you go in and check your messages here, it only pulls it up on the right-hand side. I'm on desktop right now, obviously, so on mobile this would be fine because you're only able to see your screen. But I like to check my messages in the whole screen, okay? And for whatever reason, it won't let me, when I go like that, it doesn't really, yeah, oh, there it goes. It puts me into that, but it doesn't have like the, I guess it did put me into the messenger there, so I maybe I didn't see that button yesterday. But okay, so that is cool. One other thing I did notice that I had a problem with was the notifications. Let me go back into the notifications here, and I like to look at my my notifications. Like if you go back into the old Facebook, you can actually look at your especially on desktop. You can like look at them a little bit more on the widescreen. And here it doesn't give you an option. That's kind of what I was looking at. I couldn't get into the wide screen here. And it was kind of annoying. So, that was the only thing I saw. And then also a lot of times I get, I run a lot of traffic, obviously, and I'm running traffic right now for a couple affiliate campaigns, my services business, and my New Year's party. I got like probably 10 live campaigns right now. And a lot of times people will go on and interact with the page, like the page, and then you can invite them to like the page. And I was trying to get like this one, for example. You click on it, and normally it comes up, and you'd be able to it'd be like a pop-up that comes up on desktop, and you can go and click on the people that you haven't invited to your page. And I didn't notice that working on here, so that's not working properly. Let me see if I can go back to the old version. So we're going to go back to now you can do a dark mode too. Check this out. They have a dark mode too, which is pretty cool. That's on the new beta version. Okay, and then we're going to go back here to switch to classic Facebook, and this is where it asked me for a survey yesterday of what I liked and what I didn't like about it, and I told them what I didn't like actually. But I want to show you what I'm talking about here when I'm going through the notifications. So here is the notifications, and a lot of times I like to see all here, and notice how it's like it's in the middle of the screen. And on the new version, the beta version, it was only on the right-hand side of the screen, and it was really small. And I like to go through here, and this is, if you go here, like it says here, accepted. See here's somebody I invited to my New Year's party. Let me see if there's one here so here is, trying to find one where somebody actually, it gives me the option to go in and, oh yeah, here we go. Help them see future posts by inviting to your Facebook page. Okay, so I click on that, and normally like a pop-up comes up here. Okay, see how the pop-up just came up? And now this is where I'd go in and invite any people that I haven't invited to the page, because obviously you want to get more likes. The more likes, the better. The page looks more legit and whatnot. So I've already invited everybody here. But I noticed on the new beta version that doesn't happen. It doesn't give you that pop-up. So that's a problem, obviously. And I don't like the fact that I can't go in and look at the notifications on the full screen. It's only on that little side screen, which is kind of annoying. But I kind of wanted to be the first to break this. I don't think everybody's got this, but go ahead and check your Facebook down arrow here. See if it says See Facebook Beta, and go ahead and play around with the Facebook Beta for yourself, and see what you guys what you guys think of it. I'd love to hear your comments below. If you have the beta, leave me a comment below and tell me what you think of it. And if you don't have the beta, let me know as well below that you don't have the beta yet. Because again, 6 out of my 7 accounts do not have the new Facebook beta. So that is all for today. Hopefully, you guys got some out of today. Got the first see the new Facebook profile here online on the Marketing Meathead channel. I'm the Marketing Meathead, and I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you.